Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine, yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye, yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hola, I'm Ruci from Fiji. My island home is Walelai Island and I do homestay here. The name of my homestay is Ruci and Mali's Homestay. So if you want to come and join and try the island lifestyle, you are welcome to this island and to my homestay. Thank you, Vinaka.
All house guests bound for barefoot quarter.
Very busy at the back here,
House guests for barefoot quarter. Thank you all for your patience. Now you can make your way down to the lower deck. This is your disembarking announcement.
Hola, welcome back.
Yeah, Tyrone. So many fish here.
Yeah, that's the octopus.
Wow.
Oh, nanti nak, naka.
Naka. Wow. It's like a village here.
Sampai zawit try baru ratu biliber. Indah.
Naka.
Kalau tu terlihat kalau ni yo deh.
Bukan lah ya?
Naku wajur na lebih bersih.
Iya, sadar nu.
Lagi tu tayo rumah terlalu banyak.
Iya, pati na sila gimana?
Kaya ruas sarang ang betanya, yung kani ko.
Uy, yung ka na.
Ilang salik ko ko tabi na daw?
No, you wait.
Okay.
We just get off, so.
You're gonna get
Okay.
up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sobut.
Ay, na tayo lah.
Sudah. Ay, kalau tamu apa?
They kiss their teeth like Jamaican.
Para ini.
It's more rocky here, probably beach here on that side.
Yeah.
We made it, guys.
Bostei auto tai. Taili. Bostei auto. Botou aí.
No.
Iya tak? Ruang mental taman awak ini guys Ah?
Sit down,
Yang
Island.
mau kita tiram bunuh.
Island, sit.
Sit down there.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Come.
Sit down. Island.
Come.
Sit down.
Awak cukup. Iyo.
Oh, so they're different from.
Yeah,
Oh.
we'll stay there maybe.
Oh, I thought they were like with us. Like,
Yeah, no,
I thought they were.
like the family.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit down, naman. Sit down. Here.
It's like a village, like a local village.
This is village life.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Look at all the breadfruits. Yeah. It's amazing to see.
We're gonna go trekking up that mountain. Hopefully, it's a good path.
Yeah.
We're gonna go up there. You wanna go up there?
Hmm.
Yeah. Beat the chest. Ooh.
I want to see like what kind of fish.
Did you see that fish?
Yeah, like they look like a fish we call balau.
Balalu?
Balau.
Balau?
Yeah, in Jamaica we use them to catch like marlin and stuff.
Ah.
Yeah, similar
But
to
they
a.
had like a sharp beak.
Yeah, that's what they have. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, nice reef. You can see all the fishes. So there they are again.
Wow, look, baby, look at this beautiful
Yeah,
fish.
it's pretty. I wonder if they have big trevally here, man. Wow. It's pretty. Nice. Hey, boy. Yeah. It's a reef.
Hey, Mali!
Hey.
Come on! Hey, Mali!
Yeah.
Ini dua ini kalian pulang nih. Oh, kalau ini kena minta Mali. Ah, ah, atas.
Bola.
Bola.
Ini yang nampak juga.
Like a reef. Like a reef,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
They're not-
Bola.
Atau banyak motor ni nak kau rai.
Just a quick interruption to let you all know that
Yeah, so one thing we didn't know before coming to the homestay is that the lady told us about that they're in need of like second-hand clothes, but she didn't state that in like the Airbnb homestay
description.
Yeah, so we're just letting you guys know if you're ever interested in donating clothes there, we'll leave a link in the description for her information pretty much. You know what I mean? So you guys can message her or anything. Or if you guys go into Fiji anytime.
When you have some second-hand clothes laying around,
Yeah.
whether it be kids, babies, adults,
Yeah.
elderly, whatever clothing you may have,
The village needs
the
it.
village needs it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a good cause. If we had known prior,
Before, yeah.
then we probably could have, brought. I got so much things, but
Yeah.
anyway,
Yeah, man.
I'll leave it for next time.
Yeah.
we go there.
So
yeah.
quick information there.
Okay, quick tip and continue watching the video.
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Hey guys, I just fell off the boat.
Yeah.
It was quicksand.
Yeah, because the step out just start sink.
Yeah.
So we're here at the homestay, staying with our family. Oh, they have crotch cocoa. This tree right here. Where? Oh, they have doppy. Is this doppy sauce? Yeah, doppy sauce up there.
Wow.
This one.
Nice.
Let's see. Wow. It's nice. Bola. Woo. Woo. It's hot. Bola. Come. Bola. Woo. Bola, nice to meet you.
How are you? Good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Ruci,
Rudy's sister.
Rudy, and Mali.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Rudy's sister-in-law.
Okay.
Okay.
You can come. Just come inside. Come.
Okay. So normally you dip your foot.
Hello,
the
my
sun.
dear. What's your name?
Hello, Alan.
Alan. Nalabas ako sa lambas si Kitty.
Island boy, come.
Alan boy.
Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you. Yeah. Thank you.
Alan. So you take your stuff inside. There's some biscuit, come.
Okay.
Biscuit?
You want biscuit?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh,
One
pick that
more.
one up too, quick.
Say thank you.
Mommy, a Fijian mommy. Yeah, Ruby, come. Maria, you bring us stuff.
Yeah,
I'll take that one, dude.
you're right. It's not that heavy. Not really. A little bit, maybe.
Alan boy. Alan Paradise.
Swimming time. Wow. Really hot, need to cool down. For some reason this island feel like it has more mosquito compared to
Yeah.
the one we...
Yeah, in a Boa Lodge.
Yeah.
For sure.
Oh, big wave, surf wave. Let's go and start going.
Yeah, it's snorkeling. Just beautiful, guys. Absolutely. It's just endless. Huh? All these coral. Getting higher. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, lots of more garbage down this side. Island, be careful. Lots of tin stuff.
Put it on your hand? No, your hand. No. Oh, I wonder who owns that up there.
Hold on a minute.
Huh?
What's somebody else using?
What is it? Sea grapes?
I'm trying to see if it's the same thing. They actually do have them. I don't remember the name. But these can actually eat when they're ripe. Yeah, I don't see any ripe one though. They actually have these, guys. Give them a close up. If you know what these are called, let me know in the comment section. I don't remember the name, but I actually eat these in Jamaica. They get ripe. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Look for we.
I'm so hot and sweaty.
We are sweat out ratted.
It's hot island with your shirt off.
Yeah. So we're at our homestay.
Homestay.
Beautiful family, guys.
Yes.
And, yeah, we just having a chat with them and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Beautiful here, guys.
Yeah, man.
It's
And
lovely. And we're going to do that walk hopefully tomorrow.
yeah, up on,
Hopefully we make it.
on
make
that
it.
rock there.
You can see it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So plan to go up there. And
It reminds me so much of Jamaica.
yeah, it does. Yeah.
Just
The whole settings, the local life, and yeah. Yeah, and I see dashing over there, guys. Yeah.
Nice.
I have a key in this or two. Yeah, dashing there. Yeah, and I have key and pine I grow this as well.
That lime? That's lime there.
Yeah, the lime.
Wow.
It load.
Island, stop your complaining, Mum. Stop your complaining.
This lime tree is loaded. Lots of breadfruit as usual. Oh, they have cassava there too. That's a cassava.
Eggplants.
Oh, this is eggplant tree. You know, I almost thought it was susumba tree. It looks similar to a susumba tree. I've never seen eggplant tree before. This is it, guys. Beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, is that the river or spring?
Water.
Spring. Yeah. Oh, look on the breadfruit then, man. Roast breadfruit today, no?
Yeah.
You guys can
so
see.
many fruits getting rotten up there.
Yeah.
They must fall off soon.
Yeah, see it. Breadfruit there. Everywhere. Nice roasting breadfruit.
This looks like dinner tonight, guys. Ruci and her husband will cook show us the cooking skills. Yeah. Beautiful Spanish mackerel. Alright. Beautiful catch. Hey. Alright, Aileen, Mummy's going to go rinse those clothes out and then we're going to hang them up. Yeah. Beautiful view. It is pretty.
I didn't see it until now.
I love
Like this is, I didn't realize they had them here.
Oh, absolutely.
That's a good idea.
Wait,
You should grab my camera.
Breadfruit, cucumber,
Pretty bright.
some
Right, focus.
fish.
It
Looks
looks
great.
like it's there.
Lovely.
Pretty bright.
Yum yum.
Island make friends. So cute.
So, you go, Papa. Yeah, c'était le massivo. Allez,
La momo la nene. La yang kenapa papa lagi?
And you don't want to be in the picture?
Yes.
Okay, one more try. So what do you say? 1, 2, 3, banana?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, banana.
Banana.